Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely removing the screen without causing damage to the laptop's casing. Start by powering off your Asus UX530U and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, place the laptop on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws to remove, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure that there is no power running through the device while you work. This is a critical step to prevent any accidental short circuits. Now, turn your attention to the screen assembly. You will need to remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are usually 4 screws on each side of the screen. Carefully unscrew these and set them aside. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen, as these can be fragile. If necessary, use the tweezers to carefully disconnect any cables attached to the screen. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the connectors. Now it's time to prepare the new screen. Before installation, ensure that the new screen is clean and free from dust. A clean workspace is essential for a successful installation. If you need assistance, we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Position the new screen in place, aligning it with the hinges. Reconnect any cables that were previously disconnected, ensuring they are securely attached. Once everything is connected, carefully lower the screen into position and replace the screws on the hinges to secure it. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. This is a straightforward process, but ensure that the connection is firm. Now, before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on the laptop and check for any display issues. If everything looks good, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently to snap it back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Finally, give your laptop a thorough internal cleaning if necessary. Dust can accumulate inside, affecting performance. A can of compressed air can be useful for this task. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Once everything is back in place, power on your Asus UX530U one last time to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the screen. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.